Here is the entryway, and you come right into the living room, family room area. There's no coat closet or anything like that, but there's really nice LVP, I would say, flooring in here, and nice family room with these built-in bookshelves and that painted fireplace. Obviously new paint, and everything looks to be in pretty good condition. And that opens into your dining room and kitchen area. And again, I'm pretty sure this was a gut job, I'd say. So everything is new. These are laminate counters. You can see that they did not put the edging on it there. But other than that, it looks, and the edging is also missing there. Because there are edge pieces they can put on. Other than that, it looks pretty well completed. This is the view from the kitchen window. So you have a very level lot, which here in Chattanooga can be kind of difficult to find. That seems to be the neighbor's shed. And then you can see the side of the neighbor's house there. We are facing east, I'd say here. We have pretty nice doors that open up to a deck, freshly painted. I am not noticing any rotten boards or anything. Again, there's the neighbor's house. They've got a little addition you can see. And here's these doors out to this back deck. And then we kind of pan down so you can see the deck. I'd say it's like 12 by 12 or 16 by 16 with some stairs down. All right, here we are in the bathroom that faces the backyard. It looks like, again, a total renovation done there. Outside the bathroom is, I guess the coat closet is over here. You can see we're off of the living room here. Washer dryer is a stacking unit here in the hall closet. And then we have two bedrooms. They put that nice built-in bookshelf. Windows are newer, if not new, and that extra flooring in the corner would confirm that this is luxury vinyl plank. And then here's the second bedroom here. This one faces the backyard. The closet is right behind the door to the room. This is the third bedroom space, the converted one-car garage. So you can see the road out there and the driveway that leads up to this bedroom. It is a nice lofted space with a overhead fan-like combo, and that's the hallway to it that goes off of the family room. So it is separated from the other two bedrooms and bathroom. And this is the bathroom. That looks like it was completely renovated. So you've got a shower here, tile shower, nicely done. The vanity, newer style, of course, with that gray. And there is, oh well, I thought this was going to be a much smaller closet, but you can see you've got kind of a closet here and another closet at the end with the water heater. Clever. Newer looking, I mean, the water heater looks brand new. So yeah, that's how they fit in another bedroom into this house and renovating the garage. Walls are great. Craftsmanship looks very well done. I suspect the biggest issue with this house is that road. I think that road out front, being so big and loud, is probably what's keeping this house from selling faster than it is. All right, thank you.